Hi friends, welcome to Karishma's Recipe Cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable fried rice with shrimp. I'm going to take 2 spoon oil and 3 eggs. Make sure your stove on a low flame. So I'm using a 3 eggs, making a half fry. It's take to cooking for 2-3 minutes. Make sure your eggs are cooked well. Now I'm taking 1 medium size of onion, chopped. Keep sauteing until it's get red and brown. I'm using more 2 spoon oil. Now I'm taking 1 cup of diced tomatoes. Keep sauteing for 2 minutes. Make sure your flame is on medium now. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cumin seed. Cook the cumin seed until 1 minute. Now I'm adding 2 spoons diced garlic. Keep sauteing the garlic for 1 minute. Now mix well all together. Keep sauteing for a couple minutes. Now I'm adding 1 green chili, Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix the ingredient well together. Keep sauteing for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 spoon oil, salt to taste, now I'm adding half cup of water. Mix the mixture continuously until 2 minutes. When your gravy gets thicker, keep the mixture all together. Keep sauteing it. Now you can see like the mixture is getting thicker, so you can add now 1 cup of shrimp. Now keep sauteing the shrimp with the mixture until it gets cooked. So it's take around like 5 to 6 minutes. And keep your flame on medium. Make sure you're not adding too much water because shrimp have already water in it. So it will get a little bit watery in the gravy. Now I'm adding 2 spoons of tomato juice, now you can see like slowly our shrimp is shrinking, so it's almost going to cook soon. You can see now our shrimp is done. It's cooked well, and you can keep sauteing for 1 minute. You can see now all the water came out from the shrimp and it's getting dry now, so our gravy is getting thicker. Now I am adding half cup of green beans, half cup of white cauliflower, and half cup carrots. Now mix it well. Now cook until for 5 minutes. I'm adding 1 cup of fresh green peas, saute nicely and put on lid now. Put the flame on a low now and let's cook for 7 minutes. You can cook 5 to 7 minutes. In between, keep checking our ingredients doesn't burn out. So keep saute after 2-3 minutes. You can see our vegetables are getting cooked now. I'm taking 2 cup of rice, but first I'm taking 1 cup of rice and mix it all together. Let's cook for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding second cup of rice. Now mix well all gently together. So all the ingredient catch the rice and mix it well. If you want more spicier, you can add more red chili powder, either you can add more green chilies. Now keep sauteing for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Before I cook the eggs half fried, so I mash the egg and I'm adding right now with the rice. Now I'm adding 1 green onion, now I'm adding 1 spoon of green coriander. Now mix all this together. Now put the lid back on and cook for 2-3 minutes and make sure your flame on a low. Now you can see our vegetable fried rice with shrimp is ready and I'm going to serve now. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.